Hey gorgeous, it's me Vasilikis. In this video we are going to be unboxing another Maybelline Advent Calendar. We have a second mini Advent Calendar with 5 products. The price of it is 15 euros and we have the same packaging like the other one. They also have 2 more Advent Calendars that I have already unboxed on my channel. I'm going to have a link in the description box below so you can watch them after this video. Day number 1, let's see what we have. It's very lightweight, I'm gonna say a lipstick. Oh, wrong again. This one is the Colossal Volume Express Mascara in 100% black. We also had this mascara in the other mini advent calendar, but in a different version, the purple. We have a fiber brush, it's not very big or very small. Let's continue with door number 2. This one is fully packed. I have no clue. Come to me. This is the Face Studio Prime Anti-Dullness Primer with brightening pigments and it is in the shade 40. We have 30 milliliters. This is a full size. I have tried some other primers by Maybelline and I like them. I have never tried this one, so I'm very curious to see how the color is. Oh, I applied a lot. It's very spreadable, you don't need to apply a lot of product on your face. It is giving a smoothing effect. On the back of my hand I can't see the brightening effect, so I'm gonna use it in a video. Moving on to door number 3. It's not very heavy or very light. Maybelline has some cream eyeliners, I'm going to say that one. Ta-da! This one is the City Mini palette in the shade 450 Graffiti Pop. I have done a review of this palette on my channel 2 years ago. I'm going to have a link in the description box below if you want to see what I think about it. After that, door number 4. Oh my god. Every year. This is Noisy. I'm going to say a lipstick. This is the Fit Me blush in the shade 45 Plum. This is a full size. I have tried it again in some other colors. I think I have 3 colors of this one. It has a very light satin finish. It's not swatching so nicely and I'm not able to show you the color. I thought it would be a lot darker, but it's not. I don't think it's gonna work for darker complexions. Let's continue with door number 5. It's Glow Time Merry Christmas. Maybe we have a highlighter. Oh, it's not. This is the Superstay 24-hour color. On one side we have an intensive lip color that is transfer proof and on the other side we have the conditioning lip balm which is not drying. This one reminds me a L'Oreal lip product. I'm not sure if this is a liquid lipstick. This one is in a Rich Ruby 830. Let's go to the other side. Oops, it's here. And it is a clear lip balm. It has a weird scent. It is sweet and chemical. This one is a clear lip balm. It has a nice glossy finish. About the liquid lipstick, it's been a couple of seconds. It is almost transfer proof but also sticky. And let's use them together. And the nice thing is that the color is not transferring on the lip balm. I have never tried this one before. Let me know in the comments if this is a new product. I'm gonna need a waterproof makeup remover. Yeah, okay, I'll be right back. The variety of this one is better than the other mini advent calendar. I don't like that we have a light shade for the blush, so I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4.8 stars. That means 5 stars. The value is there and this is a very nice gift idea. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite product of today's video. Mine is the lip product. I'm very excited to use it. And you can watch next the Maybelline 24-day advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!